Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Lorene Plans. Now I PR for her and I just love her stuff, or I wouldn't PR for her, but if you love it too, you can get a 20% discount by using my code TT.Scraps20, and the link is down below. It'll take you right to it and give you the discount all at once. And I love her little bags that she puts everything in. It's packaged so nicely, and I like to recycle these because they make great inserts or just another bag to use for something else or whatever. It's fun. So let's see. Oops. If you order from Lorene Plans, you will get, and you use my code, you will get a sticker sheet that was made, well, the things were chosen by me for you guys. So when you use TT.Scraps20, you will save 20% and you'll get this freebie sheet. So this is all things that I picked out and I love. So hopefully you guys will too. They all are different meanings. So like, I love to knit. I love me some coffee. I don't really like doing chores, but it's you have to do it. And I think this is hilarious. The little sloth sleeping in the sink. Coffee is calling and I must go. Cute little unicorn sweeping. If you gotta sweep, you may as well be a unicorn. You guys know I love my dogs and my cats, but it's a little girl with a dog. Happy Mail, which is also fun. Grocery shopping, another necessary evil. Not really evil, it's alright. Grocery shopping isn't that bad, but still. Here's a little planner girl, and there's a little kitty cat next to it. This one is a frog for my son, a chick for my daughter, a little hedgehog for me, and then this one was designed for me, and it is me and my friend Lisa having coffee, and we are cheersing. That is something that we do every week, and we totally enjoy it. And when she was asking for design ideas, I came up with that idea, and she came up with this design, or her and her design team. But I just absolutely love it, and I hope that you guys do too. So put TT.Scraps20 in your coupon on Etsy and you'll get this too. And then her freebie for the month is this, and I love these. These are triple fold stickers. I did use one in my last plan with me, so check it out if you want to see how that works. And I will probably use one in moving forward too, because I really like them. You fold them up and they're pretty cool. Let me just show you real quick how to do it. I'm going to use this planner one, which I think is adorable. But what you do is you take it and then you fold it, and then you fold it again. So it's an accordion style fold. So this last page will go down on your planner page or whatever you're putting it on. So the last page will go down and you open it up and it has the notebook. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love these stickers. So check her out for those. She also has a reward program where you can save 15% off, but you can save 20 with my code, so use my code. Happiness is only real when shared. Aw, that's cute. Little dashboard. Ooh, and another one. Look how pretty this is. That's like a haunted Disney castle. Oh, I love it. That's cool. And then, let's see. I ordered some things that I don't always order, but I thought that this might be cool. And I'm going to use this on my planner at work. And it has the days of the week, but I'm going to actually just cut them and use them that way, because I don't have a Hobachini planner at work or whatever this is made for, but I still like the idea, so I'm gonna kind of cut it up and use it that way. And it's called Sugar Wishes, and look how cute that little dog is. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. And then I thought this would be fun to have in my calendar, or in my planner for next year, and just keep track of the books that I've read over the year. Hopefully I'll do it, but look how cute that is. I can just write the book in, and I'm gonna say reading via Audible is counted. Oh my goodness. See, I got some of these in this format because it was the only way that I saw them, but look how cute this is. It's called Forest Friends. Look at those little animals. Oh, I love them, love them, love them. So this is really cute. I can't wait to use these at my planner at work. I'm going to put them to the side so that that's for work. This is for home. And then Peppermint Mocha. This is a one sheet, cute little planning, just adorable. I love Peppermint Mocha at Christmas time. Cold days, hot drinks. I love it. Peppermint Mocha. And then I got a couple of these because I love them. And they are the coffee date. This is the one that she made for me that's in my sampler. And so she has a whole page. There's bigger ones and then medium-sized ones and then small ones. Absolutely adorable. Love that. Oh, this one's cute. This is Lolly Cleaning, and it's just a little girl, and she is dusting, and she has a pail of water. It's just cute. Looks like she has her little tongue out. Oh my goodness. That's cute. And this one is a one-sheeter, and I don't know what it's called. OCD? Yes, Obsessive Coffee Disorder. Oh my word. No wonder I got that. That is so cute. And another one-sheeter called Summer Forest. Oh, I'm loving it. And Winter Bunny. And I thought this was a little goat when I first saw it, but then I saw the name and I was like, oh, it's a bunny. It's cute. I love his little knitwear. Oh my word. And then this one is called Caffeine Queens. That's perfect. And there is Espresso Yourself. That says coffee. Little espresso machine. Pretty color blue. And then this sheet. Oh, that looks so comfy and cozy. I love it. Okay, so that is what I got today and just wanted to share. So I hope that you guys like it. Check out Lorene Plans. You will not be disappointed. She has some marvelous stamps or stickers. And yeah, happy planning. Talk to you later.